Hello mga kalupad. Yeah, we have to hold this infomercial because there are questions raised on how we conduct enhancement classes at Liceo de Cagayan University. It's a very worker-friendly scheme for enhancement classes. Instead of 4 years of going to school, you just take enhancement classes. But before we proceed with enhancement classes, make sure that you have already enrolled. After enrollment, then you have to undergo what we call as worksite visit. We will discuss worksite visit soon. But worksite visit is a step, it's a process to verify your existence in a company, okay, or to verify the existence of your business if you are a businessman, okay. It's a very simple process as well. The work site visit is conducted by one of our faculty experts. Okay, there would be questions that would be asked to your superior, to your clients, or your peers, your co-workers, to verify your employment in your company or the existence of your business. After the worksite visit, you will have to undergo what we call as panel interview or panel deliberation and interview. This is also a step, a process wherein we further verify your knowledge, your skills, okay, and your attitude in the workplace. Okay, or as a businessman, your attitude as the owner of a business on how you conduct the daily operation of your business. After the worksite visit and panel interview, that's the time once you are done with the three steps: enrollment, worksite visit, panel interview, then we will have what we call as enhancement classes. It's a customized enhancement classes that would satisfy your competency needs, especially your workplace competency needs. So we will recognize, of course, prior learning, like for instance, seminars attended, previous schooling, workshops attended, even lectures, and we will give them credit. Now, the enhancement classes can be conducted in Liceo de Cagayan University. We conduct the enhancement classes in two ways. One, the face-to-face enhancement classes, that was before. Okay, that was before COVID, before we digitalize everything. But right now, in the university, we are full online. So that's a very good news. Full online enhancement classes because we cater not only to local workers, but we have a lot of Filipinos who are working abroad in America, we have in Europe and in the Middle East, okay, and some parts of Asia. Okay, we need to cater to their needs as well. So we have to conduct the enhancement classes according to the result of the panel interview and the worksite visit. So it would be full online, wherein you can study anywhere. And always, we make sure that the enhancement classes would not conflict with your work schedules. Okay, we are not allowed to compete with your work schedules, and take your time, your work time to attend classes. So we make sure. So that is why our classes are conducted in the evening, okay, or on Saturdays and Sundays. For the general education courses, we call it Gen Ed enhancement classes, wherein we discuss trends, new issues, new approaches, new knowledge, okay? And for the professional courses or major subjects before, we call them major subjects. Now we term them as professional subjects. No, the professional subjects are conducted every Saturdays and Sundays, at least 3 Saturdays and 3 Sundays. After everything is done, then you proceed to the next step. But we will discuss the next steps after. So that's our enhancement classes. And you don't have to pay anything for the enhancement classes because the payment is packaged already from enrollment to graduation. And payable, I said, in staggered for 1 year. And the bonus item here is it's full online. Okay, and we will adjust our time, especially those who are working abroad, and we are giving you the best professors. We have faculty experts, mga kalupad. Okay, so unsa pa yatong gihulat? Lupad na. Again, lupad na. Enroll at Liceo de Cagayan University ATIA program. This is your kalupad. The workers superhero vlogger. Lupad na! Lupad na!